What if I tell you that there is possibility of a universe existing such that there 1 plus 1 is not equals to 2? Really? Now, what if I tell you that that universe is not very far away from us, but is the one we are living in? Really? So to understand that, let's zoom in into the world of atoms where I have a proton and a neutron. Mass of proton happens to be approximately 1.007 U. However, mass of neutron happens to be approximately 1.008 U. So just add them up and you'll get this number 2.01594 U. That's okay. However, the mass of a deuteron happened to be 2.013. That means when I'm measuring these both separately and then adding them up, the value is coming out to be 2.015. However, when I'm combining them and adding them up, the value is coming out to be 2.013. So what's happening here and where is this extra mass going? This question came quite late in 1920s when Francis Aston actually developed a method to calculate the mass of these protons, neutrons and so on, right? However, the answer for this was given already by none other than our GOAT, greatest physicist of all time, our Albert Einstein. He gave an equation E equals mc square, which is honestly the most famous equation of physics right now. And using that famous equation, we actually understood that all the mass which is sort of vanishing is actually converted into energy, which energy is helping them to stay together. And that energy we call as binding energy. And that is the exact amount of energy which you need to provide them to break them apart. So now if your maths teacher ever says you don't know simple addition, show them this tree.